Hello, it's Sophie Kemp from Berthon. I'm down here on the marina and I'm about to show you on board Ruby, a 2003 Kent 31. Today we are having a look at Ruby, built by Brian and Simon Corey of Corey Yachts, based in Sandwich in Kent. She was built by them. They had the Kent 31 and the Kent 33s. Ruby has actually been back to the factory in 2021 to have a transom platform put on, along with a stern thruster. She's a great yacht, cruise along at about between 7 and 10 knots. She's got a blue wrapped hull. There's a view of the little swim platform transom extension that was put on that I mentioned. Got grey painted decks. We've got electric anchor windlass. Walk all the way around the transom, and now we will have a look inside. Here is Ruby's lovely aft cockpit. She's got a GRP hardtop with canvas sides. We believe she was the only 31 to have the solid hardtop. Rather breezy day today. If we look over her transom, you can see her added on bathing platform. We've got cockpit lockers around, and then the engine is down under the cockpit sole. The saloon table moves out and can be transferred out here to create a cockpit table as well. So doors are fully open. They triple bifold sort of style doors. To port here we've got the galley. It's got a stainless sink, little oven here with double burner, and then on starboard, nice saloon seating. As you can see, nice big windows. This side on starboard, the sort of cruise seat is a reversible seat, so it flips over and looks forward as well. We've had audio nav gear on here. We've got a Simrad plotter with AIS. She's also had a stern thruster fitted, which was done by the builder when the transom was added. She's got a Nanni engine, which has done about 2,000 hours. It's 130 horsepower. She has got Erbesbacher diesel heating. You can see everything else. New VHF. She has got a Simrad autopilot there. Head down below, we've got 3 steps down to this lovely 4-peak cabin. A little dressing table to port. Storage there and storage all around as well. And then here we've got heads. We've got a pull-out shower from the tap and a manual Jabsco heads. And then into her second cabin which has got 2 singles, sort of one, they're up and over singles. Looks like damp, but it's just some staining on the sheets there. Fridge is there below the helm seat. Really lovely, lovely yacht. I'll quickly show you in this amazing engine bay. It's an absolutely huge space. There's the Nanni, really clean. We've got batteries to starboard, water tank to port. Absolutely amazing for storage down there. So that is Ruby 2003 Kent 31.